Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's special holiday episode of New Year's Fun Facts. Now, don't worry, this isn't a boring lecture on how New Year's started thousands of years ago. No. We're here to bring you some laughs and maybe teach you a thing or two about how Americans celebrate the biggest party of the year, New Year's Eve. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of confetti, champagne, and questionable New Year's resolutions. First up, let's talk about the famous New Year's Eve countdown. It's probably the most dramatic 10 seconds of the entire year. Picture this. You're in Times Square, New York, surrounded by thousands of people, all waiting for the crystal ball to drop. It's not just a ball, by the way. It's a 5,000-pound ball covered in over 2,688 Waterford crystals. I mean, if it fell, it could probably crush your dreams of ever being on time for anything again. But seriously, that moment of 5, 4, 3, and then bam! Midnight. The ball drops, everyone screams, Happy New Year. And you realize you're standing next to a stranger you just kissed. Ah, New Year's magic. Ah, and who could forget New Year's resolutions? Now, I'm not saying everyone's resolutions are doomed to fail, but let's be honest. By January 2nd, we've all forgotten what they were. Some people decide they're going to eat healthier, which is a noble goal, right up until someone offers you a slice of pizza. And there's always the classic one. I'm going to start working out every day. Until you realize your couch has a magnetic pull stronger than your willpower. But hey, at least you made that resolution. That counts for something, right? Let's move on to the food. Because let's face it, food is what really makes a holiday, right? In the US, New Year's food is packed with symbolism. First, you've got black-eyed peas, which are said to bring good luck for the year ahead. And you're supposed to eat them in abundance. I tried it once, and I'll tell you this, my luck did not improve, but my digestive system certainly had a lot to say about it. Then, of course, there's pork. Because pigs symbolize progress, because they always root forward, right? So, eating pork means you're moving ahead in life, unless you're moving ahead to the nearest gym to burn those calories off. Cheers to that. Now, we can't forget the most iconic moment of the night, the champagne toast. It's like the New Year's tradition that ties everything together. As the clock strikes midnight, glasses are raised, and everyone says, cheers. But here's the thing. Do we really drink it for the taste, or do we drink it because it feels fancy? Honestly, I don't think anyone knows what champagne actually tastes like. It's just fizzy, and it makes you feel like a celebrity. And let's not forget the pop. The louder the cork pops, the better your New Year's will be, unless you're the one cleaning it up later. And of course, fireworks. Let's be real, fireworks are a celebration's way of saying, we're excited, but not sure how to express it verbally, so let's blow stuff up. Americans love fireworks, whether it's New Year's Eve, the 4th of July, or just a Tuesday. Fireworks at midnight are like nature's confetti, lighting up the sky in all the colors of we didn't think this through, but it's awesome. And finally, the morning after. You wake up to the sound of your phone buzzing with messages from friends and family wishing you a happy new year. Because, obviously, you didn't have the energy to stay awake for that. You roll over, squint at the clock, and immediately think, why did I make that 1 a.m. resolution to never drink again? But don't worry, everyone. New Year's is about celebrating with loved ones, and no matter how blurry that champagne toast gets, it's all part of the fun. So, whether you're celebrating with fireworks, food, or just binge watching your favorite show in pajamas, remember this. New Year's is a time for reflection, excitement, and most importantly, laughter. So here's to new beginnings, questionable resolutions, and a year full of opportunities to forget about your resolutions altogether. And that's a wrap for today's special episode of New Year's Fun Facts. If you enjoyed the laughs and learned a thing or two, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Wishing you all a fantastic 2025, filled with good luck, great food, and plenty of reasons to celebrate. Happy New Year, and may your year be as sparkling as that champagne. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.